Hello everyone, this is Manali. Welcome to my channel, Miss Curl. Today I'm going to talk about how to use epilators. Okay, now there are two reasons why I love epilating more than shaving. Then reason number one, I have so many marks and cuts on my legs and hands because of shaving. Now I'm not saying that everyone gets injured while shaving because it is all me. I'm super clumsy while it comes to shaving. And the reason number two is after shaving, I start feeling my body hair immediately after like 2 to 3 days. Okay, now I'm not saying that body hair tend to get grow faster after shaving because it's all me. We all know that, right? I tell you what happened. When we shave, we cut the upper part of the hair, so it won't take that much time to grow the only upper part of the hair, right? And when we epilate or when we wax, what happens, we pull the hair from the roots, so obviously it will take more time to grow that hair from roots. That's the main difference between when we epilate and when we shave. When we shave, our hair grow faster because we are cutting only upper part of the hair, and when we epilate, we are taking off the roots. That's why it will take more time to grow back the hair. So, I'm super lazy to shave my hands and legs again and again in 2 to 3 days. That's why epilator is my best friend, because I don't have to go to parlor to spend my hard-earned money on waxing. I can epilate my body hair at home only, and that's why I love epilating. So this is the epilator I use. Okay, so this is the epilator I use. This is Philips epilator. The name of epilator is, it comes in this box, as you can see. This is Philips Satinil epilator, a very basic one. We get more expensive epilators also with all the different attachments and everything, but I'll tell you, just get the basic one and you're good to go. And this comes with this cord which we have to attach to the power supply. We also get epilators which are battery operated, or which you can recharge and use, but they are more expensive. So my advice is to get the basic one, the corded one, because I don't think you need the rechargeable one or the battery one at home, because anyways we are using at home and we always have power supplies at home. So just go for this basic one. I'll tell you the price afterwards. I need to check it, but it is around 2000 to 3000. I'll tell you the correct price afterwards. Okay, now this epilator comes with two modes. You can control the speed using these two modes. This is the lower speed mode and this is the higher speed mode. I always use the lower speed mode here. Okay, and this is how you start it. I have already plugged it to the power supply. As you can see, these are blades of epilator. They are not sharp at all because I am running my fingers around them and they won't cut. What they do when I start the epilator, they pull my hair. Okay, so this is how it works. What we have to do here before epilating, scrub your hands and legs using any scrubber. You can also prepare your scrubber at home. I have one video where I have showed how to prepare a scrub by using all the ingredients which are actually available at home. So please check that video. I will put the link in description box. Now I'll tell you how do I epilate my hands. Okay. Now you can see I have some small hair on my hand. First we need to check the direction of growth of our hair, and as you can see, some of my hair growth is like from this side, and some of my hair growth is from this side. So we have to go in the opposite direction of the hair growth, like this. Now here the hair growth is from this here. So I will move in the opposite direction like this, and we have to be perpendicular to the skin. You just can't move it like this or like this. Just keep it straight and move very slow, because if you go like this something like that, then it may break the hair from in between. It won't pull the hair from roots. So that's why I go very slowly. like this. So as you can see, and I also can feel the skin is super smooth right now. Okay, now you can see the difference. This is the hand where I have done with epilating, and this is the hand I haven't touched yet. I don't know if the camera can capture the difference, but I can definitely see it, and I can definitely feel how smooth this hand is, and I hope you can see the difference. Okay, so the most important question is, does it hurt? Is it a painful process? I won't say this is a painless process, because it will hurt at the beginning. Okay, so now remember the first time you went for waxing, it hurt, right? जब वो पार्लर वाली दीदी ने वैक्स स्ट्रिप पुल किया था, it pained a lot, it hurt a lot, right? But day by day when your skin got used to the waxing process, now अभी आपको वो pain feel भी नहीं होता है. Okay, so same thing happens with epilator. First time it hurt, but after some time when your skin got used to that pain, you won't even feel that pain. Okay, and the most important thing, when your hair is small, it won't hurt while epilating. But if they are big, of course, you pull a long hair from its root, it will hurt a lot. But you are pulling a small hair from its root, it will hurt less, right? So that is the main concept behind epilating. You have to epilate when your hair is small, so that it won't hurt that much. Okay, I hope this video was useful for you, and let me know in the comment section if you like this video. Also click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell button as well, and till then, see you soon. Bye.